Welcome to the Coordinated Doctoral Programs in Biomedical Sciences at Columbia University Irving Medical Center. My name is Arthur Palmer. I am the Associate Dean for Graduate Affairs and Professor of Biochemistry and Molecular Biophysics. I have been a faculty member at Columbia University since 1992 and am reminded each day of what an extraordinary group of students and faculty contribute to making Columbia an exceptional institution. The scientific environment at Columbia is remarkable in three ways. Of course, the faculty are world-renowned, but even more importantly, the breadth of research at Columbia is extraordinary. It does not matter what area of biology or medicine you are interested in, multiple research groups at Columbia are working in that area. But most importantly, Columbia is a highly collaborative institution. If you look at the publications of Columbia faculty, you will see that faculty collaborate together over many years or decades. This makes for a highly interactive and supportive environment for graduate students in particular. Columbia University also aims to make it as easy as possible for you to pursue your research interests. Graduate students take coursework and qualifying exams within their department or program, but conduct research in the laboratory where they fall in love with the science. Roughly a quarter of students end up doing research with a thesis sponsor in a laboratory outside of their immediate program, and an even larger fraction do collaborative research between laboratories. I myself graduated a chemistry student, a biological sciences student, and a student from the biochemistry program within the last year. As you will hear from our graduate students, the graduate programs are highly supportive of students, starting with the thesis sponsor, the thesis committee, the program, department administrator, the faculty director of graduate studies for your program, and finally, my Office of Graduate Affairs. This support structure is designed to guide you successfully through your doctoral program to a successful defense of your thesis, and then on to an outstanding scientific career. Columbia University is, of course, situated in New York City, containing other world-leading scientific institutions and world-leading institutions in the arts, and indeed virtually every other human activity. Graduate students and faculty are constantly inspired and invigorated by the range of cultural activities, and students are able to get free or low-cost admission to a myriad of events. I cannot imagine a more exciting place to live during graduate school. The following introduction to our students and faculty, the different programs, will, I hope, convince you that you can be successful as a graduate student at one of the premier universities and cities in the world.
Hello, my name is Everardo Hegevish. I go by Evie, and I'm a third-year PhD student in the Cellular, Molecular, and Biomedical Sciences program. I fell in love with this university because of the collaborative projects that come out of this university. And there's a great community here for the students, and I felt very supported when I came to do my interviews. I came into contact with a couple of professors that made me feel very much so like I belonged at Columbia, and made me feel like I would be very successful. And I really honestly wouldn't imagine myself at any other university than Columbia.
Hi, my name is Samyukta, and I'm a first-year PhD student in the integrated program in Cellular, Molecular, and Biomedical Studies here at Columbia. I chose Columbia to do my PhD because the atmosphere here and other grad students are incredibly welcoming and supportive. Columbia Medical Center also has many extracurricular opportunities for students, ranging from music and theater to student government and advocacy groups, which were things I really wanted to continue even after undergrad. I was also really excited to move to New York because of how easy it is to get around and explore new places. Hope to see you here.
Hey everyone, my name is Chris. I'm in the integrated program in Cell, Molecular, and Biomedical Studies. There were a lot of things that made me decide to come to Columbia. One of them was that they have a very strong cancer program with lots of faculty studying many different types of cancers and many different mechanisms in cancers. For me, that was very important because I knew that's something that I wanted to study during graduate school. Something else I really liked was that there was a very nice balance between foundational and translational sciences. I found that there was a nice variety of things that if I was interested, I could decide to pursue. Another thing for sure was the collaborative environment. Everything felt very teamwork oriented and working together to really answer problems and scientific questions. One thing specifically I really liked about my program was the flexibility with classes. I'm able to pursue anything that I find interesting as long as it pertains to my research, and my program directors were on board, and that's something that I really appreciated coming here.
Hello, everybody. My name is Esther Calvo Fernandez. I am an international student here at Columbia. I am a second-year PhD student in pathobiology and molecular medicine. There's plenty of reasons why I chose Columbia, but some of them are especially because I saw that there was a very supportive community. This was something that was really important for me, being the fact that I'm international and I was away from home. I found that the grad students were really nice, friendly, and most importantly, happy with the program that they were in. Lastly, I am particularly very interested in neuro-oncology, and neuro is very big here at Columbia. And that was also definitely something that made a difference for me. Most importantly, if I had to go back, I would commit to Columbia again.
Hi, everyone. My name is Harry Reyes-Nieva. I'm a second-year PhD student in the Department of Biomedical Informatics and a member of the El Haddad Lab. Columbia was the perfect fit. The Department of Biomedical Informatics is arguably the best department of its kind in the nation, and there's a tremendous amount of opportunity to collaborate across disciplines and engage a variety of communities through a number of opportunities, including the Odyssey Federated Data Network, as well as the All of Us program, which spans the entire United States. I'm especially passionate about using and expanding the vast toolbox that statistical and computational learning offers to better understand and improve the health of underserved communities. Anything else I should mention?